All right. So, got my dad's little urn that I made. I put his ashes inside this little thermos that I turned on the lathe. Got his little peanut butter and jelly sandwich and Oreo cookies, banana and everything in there. And little lunch box, you can see. I did the stars and stripes on there. Did the best I could at trying to make those stars and stripes with a little Dremel. But, oh, and you can see, turn the welding door on. It turned the light on and everything. And his thermos will fit right inside up in there, just like he cut his original lunch box and made his big thermos fit inside. But I just have it out because it's easier to show y'all real quick. But now that's not necessarily what today's video is about. Today's video is really about the airflow. So we'll get to that in just a second. But my dad, born in '49, you can see he started welding pretty young age, when the military, and started taking, all the welding and stuff like that. And once he got out of the military, after doing 2 tours in Vietnam, 1 tour in Baumholder, Germany, he became a nuclear welder for over 35 years, and he ended up passing away at 65 years old due to beryllium in his lungs from the welding fumes and all things. So, and that's why most important thing to me is airflow. I actually started welding in middle school because my dad already had me welding at a really young age. Had me reading all these books, and he would, have me take these tests here and all that, and, go through all this stuff. And, he would just challenge me. He wouldn't necessarily force me to do it. He just said, hey, give this a shot, and that's what I did. And growing up throughout, the years, he would, if he found a new technique out or found something else out, he would show me, bring it home, and he'd go in the shop or garage, and he'd show me that, hey, check this out, and it was kind of cool. So we would trade little secrets here and there that each of us would learn. My sister as well was a welder in the military, in the Navy, and you can see, just shy of 50 years old. I put her ashes inside there for one of her children. The other 2 have their little urn keepsakes, and this one has a little umbrella on the top there. But, and when I'm welding on my battleship and, all various things, I have a fan typically going in the background. Sometimes you can hear it. But plasma cutting, I usually have the exhaust fan, so like when I was doing my short videos, I had my kid there ready to plug it in, and already gave him the commands and everything, and let him know. So, and then we'd plug it in, next stage left for a while. I do have an open shop with quite a bit of fans and all, so I can't emphasize this enough when it comes to welding and cutting and all the fumes. In my personal opinion, it's probably the most important thing when it comes to welding. So I hope you all enjoy the video. It's not meant to be sad, and you learn a little bit of something. Peace.